Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your January love and work forecast for Virgos for the month of January. Love and work, friends. Many of you requested these readings. Here it is now. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website and www.magicwenstarot.com. And this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate and it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, you can buy your own 2022 personal readings. Visit our website. You can also watch the pick a card readings. Links are in the timestamp. So let's see, Virgos, how your month of January will be. Wow, I'm super excited. Let's see, Virgos, what's the theme? Then we're gonna look at your love and work life. Theme for the month of January for Virgos. Okay. Judgment. Wow, this is a very powerful month for you, Virgos. I do feel this is a month of spiritual awakening. This is also a month of coming back to your power, connecting to the source, coming back to your power. And the Queen of Wands, yes, this is a very, very passionate month for you, Virgos. Congratulations. You are connecting with your passion, you are connecting with your powers. This is a month of spiritual awakening, spiritual victory for you in some sense. An Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. And, ooh, your cards are seriously jumping out. Almost missed that card. The Hermit. Oh my god, that's your own energy, Virgos, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus energy. So, this is a month where you are becoming a master. Definitely, you are coming on top of your game, friends. Yes, I do feel some of you could be focusing on your hobbies, focusing on your career. I also feel this is a month you will be taking some time away from social media. You will be spending more time on yourself, spending more time with your goals, with a lover, with a friend, a family member. So this is definitely the month when you are connecting with source, with yourself, with your higher self, with your dreams, goals, and future, and with your passion. So you are absolutely in sync with your passion. I do see some of you could be taking a break, going on a holiday. Some of you could actually dream of going to a peaceful place, having a holiday, taking a break from social media. Hermit is like, I am my own company. And yes, I do see some of you could be getting into a passionate connection. You are focusing on passion, but you are keeping it to yourself. You are not declaring it to the world. Let's see, Virgos, how your love life will be for Virgos in the month of January. I also feel this month you'll be very ambitious also, but you are, I don't know, you're working from home and you're seriously enjoying it. Also, you are breaking free from patterns of the past, so which is wonderful. You're breaking free from the past in many ways, so it's kind of great. Let's see, Virgos. So the start of the month is absolutely fantastic for you. The January, the first week is focusing on your family. You're definitely focusing on your work, career, family. Some of you could actually be dealing with marriage proposals or dates, or spending more time with family, meeting family. So you're definitely doing that. The Wheel of Fortune, yes, there is a new start coming for you as the start, as the year starts. There is going to be a new karmic cycle starting in your love life, Virgo. So if you are single, get ready to mingle. If you are dating somebody, things are going to go into the next cycle and next gear. And if you are in no contact, I do feel that person wanna communicate. The Page of Pentacles, yes, again your energy. I do feel you're trying to manifest something at the start or the first week. You're trying to manifest some relationship, somebody new. You're definitely connecting with what you want to manifest. And some of you are dealing with more family. First week is more family oriented. You could be spending the new year with your family, your friends. So definitely it's a family oriented kind of a situation. I'm gonna keep it like this so you can see it better. And let's see the second week of January. The second week of January will be very, very quick for you, friends. Yes, travel is very important. Some of you could be traveling, or someone is traveling towards you. I do see some of you could be in long distance connections, and that person want to talk with you, communicate, meet face to face with you. Four of Cups, yes, I do feel your love life is moving forward, but you are taking your time in making any decisions, Virgos, because you are the hermit, you are the wise one. You will take your time in making any decisions. Five of Wands, yes. In the second week, you may face a challenge, Virgo, and that is opposition. Your head might be saying one thing, your heart might be saying another, and you may also be in opposition or in disagreement with your lover or your family. Like, you want something, they want something else. So there is a contrast in your life in the second week, but it will be a very quick week. It will go before you know. So things are, if you keep a little patience, it will go a long way in the second week, friends. Let's see the third week. And some of you are asking me why I'm wearing such thick, heavy clothes, because it's really cold, friends. It's really, really cold. So I don't want to, and I usually work at odd times, and when it's really cold, so I don't want to catch the cold. Yeah. So let's see. The Two of Cups in reverse. Wow. Definitely the third week of January is when you start to begin to feel antisocial. You want to start taking a break. Queen of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is on your mind. I also feel this is a time, Virgo's third week, when you may feel like you don't want to communicate or express or talk a lot with people. And the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, I do feel you may also feel, you or your partner may feel like, you need a break, you need to spend time alone, or your work is affected because of your love life. So something something like breaks, taking a break. Who is important, what is more important, work, career, life. Ace of Swords, yes, a breakthrough is coming for you. I do see that you may take a big decision in the third week of January. Page of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person. I also feel some of you may leave a partner and move to another partnership. Some of you may actually decide or take actions on impulse, like you feel like, oh, I need to go on a holiday, and you may just suddenly go, or you decide to go on a holiday with somebody and you just go. The Star, yes, this is a very powerful week for you. It's very important. A lot of things will happen in the third week, so please stay patient, take your time in making any decisions. I also feel this is a very destined time for you, the third week. You may actually be struggling with two lovers in this week, Virgos. You may have one lover and another one is also coming, and also your heart is saying one thing and your mind is saying one thing, so you'll have to keep that in balance. The final week is actually very nice for you, Virgos. The world, yes, you finally come out of all these situations, all these like, I need some space, I need some time. You come out of this, Virgos, and you are moving closer to love. The Knight of Wands, your relationships are extremely passionate in the final week of January. There is passion, there is romance. And Queen of Pentacles, yes, you finally your lover starts to value you and your choices, and you both are on the same page. So it's an intense month for you, love wise, Virgos. And let's see, what is the advice for Virgos for their love life? Destiny, Wheel of Fortune, yes, destiny is playing a large role in your relationship. So certain things may happen, and you may have to decide with that. Like, something may happen and you may feel a desire to be alone, or to take some time, or to have a holiday with somebody to get to know them better. The truth, yes, I do feel 10/20. Wow, this is a month where expressions and expressing your truth and telling your truth or telling your feelings is very important. The Universe, number 21, my God. Oh my God. You are definitely, this is a very powerful month. I do feel you will have a lot of cosmic support from the universe. I also feel that and you have this card twice. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. I feel, there is a destiny. You have a destiny with somebody, and you just need to figure it out. You may need some time alone to figure it out, how to come back, or how to be with this person, or how to express your truth. I also feel there is a lot of cosmic support around you, friends. So ask and you shall receive the cosmic support. So let us see your work and career now. Virgos, how their work and career will be in the month of January. Ooh, transformations, changes, positive movement forward, awareness. I see some of you could actually be working on changing your jobs and career. Some of you are connecting with another life purpose and you feel like that's it, that's the one for you. Some of you are definitely, this is a month you may quit your job, start something new. Some of you may quit your university, colleges, move into something else. I also feel this is a month of relocations, traveling, renovating, moving into new jobs, new projects. I do feel this is again a very destined month for you, for your work, career. Your hard work will pay off, money is coming. One thing you need to keep in mind, Virgos, this month in your work, career is to be aware. If you are focused, you will make a lot of success in your work and career. If you feel blocked, you will be blocked. If you feel successful, you will be successful. This is a month where you are in power, you are in charge, Virgo. So decide what you want and it will happen for you. The crown chakra, yes, I do feel you are very, very talented, you are very gifted, you will have a lot of ideas, a lot of inspirations, so act on that. And I feel you will like to work alone while taking a holiday, or you may actually like work from home, or work from the hills or something like that. I also feel many Virgos will be going into healing work, astrology, Reiki, yoga, art, painting. All these kind of things will really excite you. Oh my god, another chakra card, the heart chakra. Yes, I do feel your love life will be affected by your work and career. I also feel you want to do something that makes you happy, Virgos, in the month of January, especially in your work and career. So if you are doing a job which doesn't make you happy, it would be tough to continue that. You will do things which make you happy in regards to your career and your love and your work life. So do things that make you happy. Focus on your happiness. Let's see some advice for you. Some advice and some extra messages for our beautiful Virgos. Any advice for Virgos? Ooh, spiritual growth. So definitely there is going to be a lot of, I told you, this is a spiritual month for you, Virgos. You are focusing, you are growing, you are learning. A lot of spiritual progress is being made. Holy love, yes, there is a lot of love around you, not just from people and family, but also love from the universe is coming for you. Love from the source, from the divine spirit, and power and intention. I told you, you are a powerful person, Virgos. Power. You are very powerful and you can manifest what you want, Virgos, this month. So make sure to focus on your power. Let's see what else. Okay, let's take it all. Okay, we have a lot of cards. X forces working against you. Yeah, I feel you start the month with a little bit of resistance, but you will overcome it, Virgo. September might be important, or you might yourself be born in September, or you are working for some goals in September, which will now be materializing. Fan, romance, celebration, and party. Ooh, I do feel somebody is a fan, somebody is a secret admirer. Fox, shrewdness, resourcefulness, especially in business. You have to be smart in your work and career. I do feel that dissatisfaction with life, yeah. I do feel, this is the month, Virgos, when you may feel you need something extra than work, career, love. You need something extra, and you may actually need the divine love, the spirituality, or something. You are seeking. You are a seeker this month. The boat, money, or property through inheritance is coming. Oh, Apple, temptation will test you. So I do see a new romance coming. A meeting with a stranger will be important. A new person is coming into your life. Goldfish, increase in material wealth or spiritual growth. So very spiritual month it is. Boot. Increase your efforts to achieve your goals. You are very highly thought of. You are very respected. A period of prosperity and abundance. So yeah, I do feel this is a prosperous month for you. Candle, you will be shown the way, so spirit is guiding you. Bag, something important such as a new job or a raise is coming. Yes, getting together with friends. So this is a very friendly month. You will be meeting a lot of people, even though you may take some time alone, a week or two alone. Bird flying, news is on its way, good news is coming. And flowers, happiness is coming. Hills, obstacles to overcome. So that's it for now, Virgos. Make sure to subscribe Magic West Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic CC. Bye bye.